everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll take you step by step on downloading the CoinZoom app in this tutorial. Start by opening Play Store on your device. Tap on the search bar at the top. Type CoinZoom app. Then tap on Search. Tap on the install icon beside the application name. Let it download now. After the download is completed, tap on Open. You can now sign up or log into your account to start using the application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.